Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Wednesday, July the 15th. Well, a great trading day for the bulls today. The market closed up into the resistance zone that we identified, which is around 9:30, with a very, very strong close. A very large-bodied green candle. The market opened at the low and has closed at the high, with a very big range and a very large body. That means that the bulls have gained control of the market, and they have a very strong control, and they're very strongly committed. Now, looking at our Ichimoku indicators, we were previously trading within the cloud, and the market had previously found support within the cloud, and has been in a first time frame uptrend, which is a series of higher highs and higher lows for the last 3 days. We identified yesterday's candle as a potential reversal, but we needed the low of the previous candle to be taken out, and that didn't happen. We have a rule in technical analysis that the previous trend is in force unless we have evidence otherwise. So we have to go with the previous trend, which was an uptrend. So the uptrend is still in force. Now we had a breakout up above the cloud, which means that the market has an overall bullish bias. And a very strong breakout up above the cloud. So we know that the cloud can act as support or resistance, and we were expecting the cloud, the top of the cloud here, or the Kumo, to hold as resistance. But what we had to do was watch and see how the market reacted, read those short-term dynamics when the market trades around that cloud. So here we've got a very, very positive day, so the market is very, very bullish. Now looking at our other Ichimoku indicators, the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen have turned flat, and that reflects this larger zone of congestion where the market's traded down and trading back up to this swing high. So flat Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen means a trendless market. Now just looking at the short term though, it looks as though the Tenkan-sen is just starting to tick up a little bit, which is reflecting the upside momentum here in the very, very short time frame. So that's reflecting that. Now we know that when the market has a lot of upside momentum and it pulls back, potentially the Tenkan-sen will act as an area of support. That seems to be the case when the Tenkan-sen is above the Kijun-sen though, so that isn't the case at the moment, so we need to be aware of that. Now also we haven't had the crossover of the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen yet, but it's early days. So most important thing for this market though is this zone of resistance that it's trading in. There still is potential for this market to come off, because we know, if we look at the candles here, the character of these candles, it's all very, very indecisive, small-bodied candles, red, green, and very, very small bodies. We can see previously how the market traded up to that region very strongly and then sold off. So we need to be aware of that. What we want to see is a strong close up above 943 in the next few days. Certainly at this swing high at 955, if we get a nice strong close up above 960, within the next week or so, then I'd have to say that we'll probably be trading up to 1,000. But we need to see that yet. What we need to do here is look for any of these indecisive type candles, for red candles or some of the small-bodied candles here, and it could be a signal for a potential reversal of this first time frame downtrend. So interesting trading over the next few days. Probably a little bit early to jump in and be totally bullish, but in the very short time frame, a nice bullish few days.